As I dey talk for the other video, I go do am second part. So I go call this one second part because I dey talk, so my phone ring. For me to pause am, I go press stop. So the thing come out. So I don't need to redo the video again. So I continue for here. So I stop for because you understand. Masha still laugh small. Because you go the one that say this lady he use juju for him husband. Say no, they fight before. Wetin make them know they fight again? No be juju. Because we some lady who they believe say if we don't marry, we don't get power, we get the right to control our husband, we get the right to control the family anything we want. In fact, some lady they go mad, they'll come wicked. You go the one that say not be this kind person I marry before. You go the wonder that kind wonder. Because that marriage, you don't enter their head. You understand? So if you be that kind of person, you be say, you and your husband una dey fight, una dey quarrel, me I know say men too get their own bad character, but this one na for woman I dey talk to. You don't call yourself for one day, sit down. You know, table your character down. I be na me dey cause this kind thing. If you be that kind of person no get patience, you know, see get some woman will be say they no get patience. Maybe if the husband won't talk to them, before you go know, they never let their husband land. They don't chop him. The man self no go even land, no go even tell and say, see where in they go, the woman don't diverse. You understand? You know, so they say, if you want catch monkey, you go do like monkey, take catch monkey. You get some ladies where be say, when their husband go come, make they explain problem to them. Wait till they feel. That lady no even care. In fact, you go get the girl self to tell you, beg, hold on, that one are your problem. What una call on herself partner? Why una call herself husband and wife? You still there for the men's side. Una know they communicate. Una know they share things together. I be never see husband and wife will be like a friend. We be say they share things together. You understand? At times, you get some certain things we be say, woman supposed to overlook. You get some certain things we be say, woman go overlook. When the man go do something, you overlook him. You go do as he say the thing no paying you. You go overlook him. Now so you still be for man's side. Get what your wife go do at times, you go overlook him. You go do as say the thing no paying you. Now vice versa. I know they cost only women. You understand? Try find out. What will be your husband key points? Now so it still be for man's side. Everybody get their own key points. If you try find out what will be that thing, if you don't they do that thing, might tell you truth, you don't need any pastor to pray for you. You don't need to go mosque. You don't need to go church. You don't need to go juju house. In fact, now you yourself be everything for yourself. Now you yourself be everything. You get some woman will be say they never one day tell their man they are sorry. For the wrong way they even do self, papa, they never one day tell, they feel big, say, me, go tell this man, say, I did sorry. You know, see, get as I go tell and I did sorry. You go come be like, say, I be mumu. You are not a mumu. You not be mugu. Might tell you truth. Guess plenty where they find husband. If you come on eyes for your own, where God take bless you, you use your hand, take cause sweaty, your husband take leave you. Another person go carry him. Now so it still be for man's side. If you use your hand, take cause sweaty, your wife go leave you. Another man go still carry him. Because the good one, they wait till they can't carry them. She understand? We not just deceive ourselves. Me not just deceive. I don't sit down for midst of men. Men, if they talk about their wife, I go just look say, One man don't talk say when he marry his wife, wetin take marry his wife? Now how she take the package? She dey package herself. She sabi cook. She dey respect am. In fact, if you see her wife where you never marry her, she be like angel. Now when he don't marry am, the woman born one pikin for am. In fact, he don't scatter in gregede. Breast, he dey go here. You know they package again. You know they dress fine. In fact, to cook self. Before you go cook, you go serve your husband, lead and serve your husband. If you manage you cook self, you go say, guy, your food is dey pot, go carry am. The sweet love where they play when him and the girl never marry. As they don't marry, that love no dey again. Him wife to do hair. Wife will be say every week she dey do hair. Now 2 months she never do hair. I no be say the man no dey give her money to do that hair. The man say papa go market buy clothes for the girl. Make you dey dress as him want making the dress. The girl no go fit dress am. Anytime we say na wrapper for chest. Because that one I don't believe say I don't marry, nothing again. I don't marry, I don't born pikin, nothing again. Okay, tell me if that kind of man go outside. See girl where they package himself, the way one woman wife they package himself. Tell me how that man eyes no go enter for that girl. Tell me. Who go they pray? No prayer. Prayer no be everything. Prayer no be everything. You need to walk towards that prayer. If you pray, walk towards that prayer. Ask yourself question. But me and this guy, me and this girl, we know the quarrel will never marry. Wetin make us now we don't marry? Why this quarrel come dey? Ask yourself that question. Try to understand your husband. Husband, try to understand your wife. Peace go dey inside house. Una go the one that say, this couple don't marry for many years. They never divorce. I don't say they know they fight. I don't say they no get issue together. They get issue together, but they know how to solve their mess. They know how to solve their problem. When we say another mouth no go enter inside. They know how to do am. If they open their mouth, tell wetin they pass through. If their wife open their mouth, tell wetin they pass through. If their husband open their mouth, tell wetin they pass through, you no go believe am. Because every day you see them happy. Now because they solve their problem. And this one advice for men and women. Me una know the quarrel una partner. That is una husband, una wife reach the next day. Me una know the quarrel that anything your husband do, you let her know say, babe, this way you do me, you no good. Anything your wife do, you let her know say, babe, this way you do me, you no good. Una cut am there. Because when una go get grudges for mind, reach the next day, now that place house don't begin to scatter. Before you go know self, the person way to say you really love, no be love you love am. You admire am. Take marry am. So me, now wait I fit talk for this video. As that your girl where they talk truth, I love you guys, one love. If you're first to see my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click like. And don't forget to drop your comments. One love, I dey soon when they drop comments, I appreciate it, I appreciate your comments, one love, bye dear. Bye.